When the waves rise high and I can see the shore, when the night feels long and my faith feels warm, you whisper softly, child, don't be afraid. My spirit is near to show you the way. When my strength is gone and my heart is weak, you're the calm I find, the voice I seek. Spirit, lead me where my trust won't fade. Guide my steps through the storm and the shade. In your presence, fear has no claim. Spirit, lead me, I'll follow your name. When I stumble, lost in my despair, you lift me up with tender care. Your fire burns where doubt once lay, a holy flame lighting my way. When I lose my sight, you help me see that your truth is life and it's setting me free. Spirit, lead me where my trust won't fade. Guide my steps through the storm and the shade. In your presence, fear has no claim. Spirit, lead me, I'll follow your name. Take me deeper than my heart has known, to the secret place before your throne. Let my will be lost in yours, Spirit of God, forevermore. Spirit, lead me where my faith can soar, past the pain, past the closing door. Every breath